How to make a video on PowerPoint for laptops. Select Notes at the bottom of your screen and then type the speaker notes in the space provided. It's much easier to just read speaker notes for every slide rather than try and read off a piece of paper or something like that. The speaker notes won't show up when you make the movie. I personally find it easier to make videos putting audio files into individual slides rather than narrating a whole movie. You can just get rid of any files that are wrong on an individual basis. Selecting from the tabs in the ribbon along the top of the page, first select Insert and then choose Audio and then record audio, unless you've pre-recorded some files and they are already on your PC and you'd like to add them. If you're using the record audio function rather than uploading pre-recorded files from your laptop, just use this red start and stop button to record. If you have a headset with a mic, these work much better than just talking straight into a laptop. So if you do have one of those, please be sure to use it. Find the grey audio button after you've done your recording. Sometimes it can be hidden in the picture, but when you do find it, just drag it to where you would like it to be. Click on the playback button from the tabs across the top and then click the Hide During Show box, and that will hide those grey audio buttons when your movie is playing. When you're ready to finish your movie, go to File, then choose Export and create a video. Make sure that you give a file name that fits your video, a title and your name, something to differentiate it from everybody else's video, and check that it's saving as an MPEG-4, which is a type of video file. Make sure that you use a title page and an end page for your video. Credits would be good too.